Hello everybody and welcome back to the Connected One. Thank you for tuning in. If you haven't as yet, please do subscribe and like the notification bells so that you don't lose any of my content. Well, I'm doing some follow-ups today, so let's take a look at 11 trading, which has been doing very well this last couple of months for me. Like I say, I've already taken out 228% out of 11 trading, so I haven't lost anything. It's a good gain, but like I've always told my people as well, you don't know who develops these programs and you don't know when they are going to decide to pull the plug or if they're going to last for years. So we all are basically taking a chance on that. But a thing that I have noticed of most of these, now I've been around in the crypto space and in the MLM marketing space for quite some time. These projects, these more higher risk, or let's say mid risk, because if you climb in early, I would say it's a mid risk. But like if you had to climb in now, for instance, I don't know how long it will last. So I'm just basically giving my reviews and my feedback on it. So I have already withdrew. I think it was a 500 package that I purchased, and I've taken out 1,141. I've gotten some binary points there as well, which is great. And I've always noticed that most of these projects, and literally most of them, okay, if they say they're going to pay you like 300% back, I always take it like on a little bit less than that, because just for like safekeeping, and then I would like advise my downline to, rather take this investment and invest in newer things. So that you don't lose, so that you always stay on top of the game. Like I said, you don't know, and I'm not a financial advisor, but I am here to always give warning signs and basically how I've learned from my experiences, and I've been burnt many times before, and how to learn from that. And I'd like to be your upline if you are interested in like these projects. So basically, I've noticed when it reaches like 220% of your initial investment that you've gotten back, or ROI that you've gotten back, I've noticed that most of these projects start glitching, or like for 3 days they're down, or they always say maintaining the platform or whatever the case may be. But I think they're just like resetting and getting ready to like leave. Look, 11 trading is still up and everything, and still making money, and everything's going still well. But I'm just saying they were down last week, so that's why I'm saying that's already my sign, my red flag, saying okay, it's time to move along. So then I came across this company. I have basically invested today, and it is brand new. So if you do jump on board, please always just check your timestamps. It is today the 30th of November 2021. Like I said, I'm not a financial advisor, but if you're early in, you're definitely going to make your money. And if you are a marketer and you do have a team underneath you, there is a lot of Bitcoin to be made, okay, if you work smart and you aren't too, how can a person say, you're not too naive, and you can think with a straight head and be realistic, then I think everything can go well, and then your downline can trust you as well, So I invested by them today, 480 package. I had to pay in 486 because $6 is obviously for transaction fees. And so basically what Oxxy is, Oxxycorparation.com. I did go and take a look at their website. So if we go into the website, it looks very nice, very neat. I like the way they did it. They got their live Bitcoin price as well. Secure, easy way to basically generate Bitcoin, because you know what, at the end of the day, yes, your tokens, like your exchange tokens or contract tokens, meme tokens, do make money, but the thing is, you want to get back a real asset. Like, so that would be like if you could get Cardano back, or if you could get Ethereum back or Bitcoin back, that will always be good for your advantage, to be able to basically take your profits and to reinvest in different new projects. Obviously, knowing the risks involved in it, crypto is very volatile, and we don't know what the markets are going to do, but we take a chance, but we learn from our mistakes, and then we move on. Doesn't help to cry if a platform does fold, because climbing into any platform or project or company has got its high risks, okay? It will always have. Nothing is ever guaranteed, but like I said, a lot of people don't have another option, and if they are good at building teams and stuff, this is a brilliant way just to put your foot in the door and get involved. It's very, very easy to understand. projects like these, like I said, they never last forever. They don't last forever. So I don't care what they say, but they don't. But I can tell you when you when as I'm talking about this, it's brand new. So this should last like about 4 to 5 months, like the previous projects as well. So yeah. So let's see what are they and what they basically do. So they are investment managers in the cryptocurrency and Forex, or with office administrative in the financial capital of London. They aim to provide users results that so far only large banks has access to. Okay, so that is their mission basically, is to work on a development on solutions for the financial market, from tools for analysts and data, which enable our operation rate trades more safe, and even basically so that they can do their auto trading. So basically what they do is you invest and they will give a daily return back. So if you are new into the crypto space, if you do invest, they will say yes, that you basically get 200% back of your initial investment before the package expires. Which is nice about this is their minimum buy-in is $60, and then it varies obviously, which the higher the packages, the quicker you'd probably get your percentage back and make money faster. And if you do wish to do binary and build teams, you do get incentives and commission on those incentives paid. So that's great. So I like their layout. It's very cool. It's very professional. Like I said, you guys are more than welcome. Please do your own research. I'm just showing you guys what I'm going into and my personal journey, and if we can make money, why not? So let's quickly sign back in here. Alrighty, so basically, like I said, I bought a $480 package, but if you do go onto the link down in the description box, I will put my link. You would basically come to this page, and then you would obviously register, confirm your email. There's no KYC as yet, which is great for any country. So basically you get your $60 packages, and it pays out 200% obviously on that 60 that you invest. Before it deactivates, then you'll have to purchase another one, or you can move on to the next, or take your earnings there and buy more packages. There's so many ways to do these projects, so you can all market it and work on commissions with your daily results. Like I think it varies, but it can go up to 2.6% daily that they pay you back. But if you do choose to work on binary, so meaning you got a left leg and a right leg, and you're putting people under your left and right side, then you will qualify automatically basically for a 300% returns on investment, which is great. I think that is awesome. So there's $120, $240, and you can choose whether you want to pay with Bitcoin or Tron, which is great. Yeah. So like I said, I started this today. It feels very familiar. It feels the same as 11 trading. So if you are on 11 trading, I would maybe kindly advise you guys to come move along to this one. And yes, so basically, like I showed you guys the packages. If you go to financial, you can see like you see the outlay is very similar. So I haven't put in my withdrawal address as yet. So I always recommend my downline. Once you do you do click on my link down below, and you do register, and you do send Bitcoin to these packages, it will actually show you where to send the money into. So basically, let's say, for instance, let me just give you guys an example. Yeah, let's say we want to get a $1,200. Okay, so you say pay with Bitcoin, and then it's automatically going to show you this. Remember I told you guys that it does have a 6%, your $6 coming in. And basically you can all scan, send to this address, or you can just copy this and actually send from your exchange to this address. And then what's nice about it, they actually show you exactly the amount that you need to send to that address. Once it has gone through, it's been confirmed, all the transactions have been confirmed on the blockchain, then it will basically activate your package, which is great. I have found that if you do deposit, if the network is very, very busy, then it can take up to 48 hours. But mine, I did this today and it came through today. So the network isn't that busy as yet, as it's a brand new project. Yeah. So then you would obviously go to withdrawals. I would suggest once you've registered and already invested, already activate your withdrawal, like your withdrawal wallet. So you're just gonna basically choose your wallet and you're going to put your receiving wallet. So if you cash out here, you must paste in the address that you want it to go to once you do withdraw, because this can take up to 3 days to activate. So activate it already. It's not going to do anything. It's just so it can make it convenient for you for when it is time to withdraw. So I saw minimum withdrawal is $60, which is not bad. And like I said, they pay up to 2.6%. They can pay up to 2.6% daily, depending on how the trades go. But I will be posting on my Telegram group, DConnected1 following. That will be down in my description box as well, on how the results are going day by day. They trade 5 days a week. Weekends they don't. And it's for free if you do withdrawals once every 10 days. But if you do it like a withdrawal every single day, you are going to pay a 6% fee. But like I said, that's not a lot compared to all the other things, and it's better than actually doing smart contracts because it's not that high gas fees that you are paying. So yes, let us see how this guy goes, and I'm kind of excited. Once again, guys, thank you for tuning in. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this content. And like I said, please be aware of the scams out there. There's a lot of scams out there. And be money smart. So never invest money that you can't afford to lose for if something had to go wrong. I'm just personally sharing my own experience and what I've been doing for so many years. And thus far, it's been going well. Well, I hope to see you guys next. Thanks.